Click on the magnifying glass, type Create a Restore Point. It will show up underneath, so click on it. If you have multiple hard drives, just choose your C drive. The protection on mine is on, but if it's off on yours, click on the Configure button and select the Turn on System Protection option. Click Apply and then OK. Then click on the Create button to create a restore point. Give it any name you want. I'll just type the date I'm doing this video. This way I will know the restore point name I made. Click on the Create button and give it some time to create a restore point. And that's it. The restore point was created successfully. Click the Close button, and now if you want to see the restore point you created, simply click on the System Restore button. I will select the Choose a different restore point because my system has created more restore points in the past. Click Next, and now we can see the restore point we created a minute ago. Now you can restore your computer on that specific day. If you found this video useful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.